Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter chikki. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of roasted peanuts, which are the star of our show. For sweetness, we'll use 3/4 cup of jaggery. To help with the texture and flavor, have 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of water ready. Making sure your peanuts are already roasted and skinned will save you a lot of time and effort. First, if your peanuts aren't already roasted, dry roast them on a low flame for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are wonderfully crunchy. Let them cool completely, then easily remove their skins and break them into halves. Next, in a separate pan, combine your 3/4 cup of jaggery with 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Heat this mixture on a low flame, stirring gently until the jaggery fully melts. Now, this is the most crucial step for perfect chikki. Continue cooking the jaggery syrup on a low heat until it reaches what we call the hard ball stage. To test this, drop a tiny amount of syrup into a bowl of cold water. It should immediately solidify and snap when you try to break it. Once you achieve this consistency, quickly add your prepared peanuts to the hot syrup and mix everything together very thoroughly, ensuring all peanuts are well coated. Work quickly now, as the mixture will set fast. Immediately pour the hot peanut and jaggery mixture onto a greased surface or a sheet of parchment paper. Place another sheet of parchment paper on top and use a greased rolling pin to flatten it to about 1 centimeter thickness. While it's still slightly warm, use a knife to cut it into your desired shapes. Allow the chikki to cool down completely before breaking the pieces apart and storing them in an airtight container for lasting freshness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.